How to use the MagnetiConnect Clamp to connect your Dermlite to your favorite smartphone or tablet. MCC includes 3 pieces: a clamp, a magnetic ring that threads into one of 2 holes on the clamp, and a steel ring, which is only required for Dermlite DL2 or DL3 series. Many mobile devices have multiple cameras, and we want to be using its main camera as opposed to the telephoto or wide-angle camera. One way to find the main camera is to start up the default camera app and simply putting your finger on the camera being used. Place the clamp on your device and center one of the 2 threaded holes over the main camera and secure the clamp by turning its knob clockwise. Now carefully attach the magnetic ring. Initially, turn it counterclockwise in order to avoid permanently damaging the MCC threads. Then, carefully turn it clockwise, making sure it threads correctly, then tighten it well before attaching your dermatoscope. Remember that MCC works with many mobile devices, including tablets and Android smartphones. For MCC to work on devices whose main camera is positioned a little further away from the edge, attach the magnetic ring on the bottom threads. Again, turn the ring counterclockwise in order to avoid damaging the threads, then turn clockwise to tighten. For more information, or should you need additional assistance, please reach out to us at contact@dermatoscopes.com.